Ready to make your rat rod roar? The exhaust system is more than just a pipe. It's your ticket to unleashing horsepower and turning heads at the strip. Rat rods have roots in drag racing and speed contests where every bit of power counts. Start by choosing larger diameter tubing, around 2.5 to 3 inches, to reduce back pressure and let your engine breathe freely. Mandrel bends are key for smooth flow, but don't be afraid to get creative. Salvage bends from old cars or even use repurposed plumbing elbows for a true DIY touch. Next, consider short, straight pipes, often called lake pipes, to minimize restrictions and maximize raw sound. For a classic hot rod look, route your pipes along the side or through the fender, embracing the rugged, unfinished style rat rods are known for. Skip heavy mufflers. Instead, use glass pack or cherry bomb mufflers for just enough tone without choking power. Weld your joints for strength and seal leaks with high-temp tape if needed. Finish with custom-cut tips. Think tractor flares or even shotgun shells. With the right DIY exhaust, your rat rod won't just sound mean. It'll leave the competition in the dust and honor the legacy of speed and creativity that defines this culture.